right, this next one is called Sword of Truth.
It's my favorite.
Let us all press on in the work of the Lord, that when life is o'er, you may gain that reward. In the fight for right, let us wield the sword, the mighty sword of truth. Fear not, though the enemy deride. Courage, for the Lord is on our side. We will heed not what the wicked may say, for the Lord alone we will obey. For the Lord alone we will obey.
We will not retreat, though our numbers may be few, when compared with that opposite host in our view.